Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I am Atul and in this video we are going to discuss about the shuffle function from random module in Python. So suppose that you have been given a list and you need to shuffle the elements in an unordered way or in very randomly way. In that case you can use this shuffle function. So let's do one thing. Let's create a list. So I'll put my list equal to, and in this I'm just going to give certain values, or randomly I'm just giving values like 0, 25, 50, 75 and 100. Now the way you shuffle a deck of cards, similarly you want to shuffle this list. Before that, let's print this my list and run it. So we are getting 0, 25, 50, 75, 100 the way we have defined it over here, or we have declared it over here. Now what if I just want to shuffle this list? So I'm just going to import random, and then I'm going to shuffle this list using the random.shuffle function. So I have random.shuffle. With this function, I'm going to give the list name as my parameter, which is my list. And now if I print my list and if I run it, you can see that it has been shuffled. So 50 comes first, which was the second indexed argument for our my list. Similarly, 25 comes on index 1, which is over here at index 1. So it's random shuffling. Now if I again take this instruction or lines and put it in the next cell, and if I run it, you can see that we are getting 0, 75, 50, 100, 25. So every time when you run this cell, you will have a shuffled list randomly from the given list. So whenever you need to shuffle a list randomly in such a scenario, you can use this shuffle function from random module to shuffle your elements. Happy learning and see you in the next video.